In this video, I'll detail how to set a reminder on iPhone on iOS 18 or earlier versions. So if you're using an iPhone and you want your iPhone to remind you a particular event or an activities you need to exercise, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you're not of this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first you want to do, we want to set a reminder on iPhone, either on iOS 18 or iOS 17, is open the reminder app. You can just search for it using the spotlight search. So then open it. So if you're opening the reminder application for the first time, you should see welcome to reminders, and this include what you can do here is quick creation, food shopping, easy sharing, and powerful organization. Then go ahead and click on continue. So this is going to be your first interface. Then after you be taken to this page, you can see I have no reminder here. Then to create a reminder on your iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is click on new reminder. Then this is going to pop where to create your reminder title. So I'm going to say reminder on iPhone. Then here leave a note about this particular reminder on your iPhone. Now once you're done, click on detail to show date and time. So then you should say never missed a reminder. Click on continue. Then would you like to send your notifications? Yes. Then July 1st, that's the date. Time, select time. When do you want this reminder to alert you? Maybe let's say 7 a.m. in the morning. Then early reminder, click on early reminder and choose 5 minutes before or hours before that particular time. So in this case, I'm going to choose 30 minutes before the reminder time. So this is going to alert me 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Then you want to repeat this reminder, go ahead and click on repeat. Then here I want to repeat the reminder daily. So let me choose daily. So this is going to repeat this reminder every day of the week. Now do you want to end the reminder? If yes, come here and choose when to end the reminder. End reminder date, then go ahead and select the date here. But if you don't want to end this particular reminder, come here and choose repeat forever. Then hit the back button to get back. Then you can just swipe down a bit. You can see you can add tag to the reminder, enable location, or when messaging. Select this option will show the reminder notification when chatting with a person in message. So if you want to add this reminder in your message on iPhone or iOS 18, just make sure you turn on this reminder. Then choose the person. You'll be able to select the person you want to send this reminder to on your iPhone while chatting. However, since we're interested in setting reminder only here, so go ahead and click on add. Then no early reminder, click on OK. You see, now I have one reminder here, scheduled, all, then click on the reminder here. Then tap the reminder itself just like this. Click on this information icon. Then you can also edit the reminder information just like this. Then once you are done, go ahead and click on the done button again. So then this is going to be your reminder, and at exact this time tomorrow morning, your iPhone is going to remind you that you have an activities to exercise. So this is how you can easily set a reminder on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.